Viper with the Tuesday video clip, and it's Tuesday the 21st of March. Before I go into the report itself, I want to say that I'm planning to replace the current SMS system with WhatsApp. There seem to be quite a few benefits here, mainly that I can actually correspond with you. So with SMS it's pretty messy, and if somebody replies to me on SMS, then I have to reply direct to them and nobody else is involved. Whereas with WhatsApp, I can receive a response, I can just reply very quickly. For example, yesterday I could have said that absolutely nothing's happening, which I didn't want to send an SMS to say nothing's happening. It's quite obvious to anybody watching the market there was no real activity. So in order to set this up, I've made a note on the email. Just add me to your WhatsApp system, and I'll then get a WhatsApp. Send me a WhatsApp saying, give me your name, that you're a subscriber, and I will then add you to the group I'm creating. I will be continuing the SMS service for a limited period, but I plan to phase it out completely going forwards, unless there's some major reason why not. But I think there'll be quite a major advance in the service, actually, because it means we can discuss things as you may want to. I mean, I'm not going to promise immediate responses, but you have a valid question, then I can answer everybody, not just one person. I think it's quite useful for everybody concerned. So if that's okay, please send me a WhatsApp. If you've got a problem, then please let me know what it is, and I'll see if I can sort it out. Right, we'll start with FTSE today. I still have this. We still have, I should say, this 5-way advance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This may be messy, but in the longer term, we've also got this longer 5-way advance. So, I mean, I'm not saying the count is perfect, but it's a pretty good count. It's just this bit here which has become rather confused over the last, well, since the year began, really. But we do have a peak of sorts, and although the actual pattern is not ideal, other than the longer term pattern, which is particularly clear, really, I think it's worth taking a short at this time. Let's have a look at the shorter term action. Right, the evidence of a peak really is that peak there, the failed break there, and now we're starting to fall away. I don't like the ABC here particularly. I mean, there are counter indications here, but I'd say the longer term pattern is pretty clear. So the reference points are the peak here, 7441 or thereabouts, and the support levels around 74. So the choice is either to sell at current levels with a stop above here, or to wait for a break down below there. I mean, the 7377 level is always quite important. It's a matter of personal choice, actually, which way you want to trade this. I've got a small short position already in place, with my stops above the highs, and this could be a long-term move. I say the actual pattern here is not ideal. Nothing's happened on past expiry particularly, although we are now heading down. We've got another peak here, of course, and it's probably safer to wait for support to break. That would be an indication that something is actually happening. But of course, you have to pay for that privilege. So that's one of the trading decisions you need to make, really. So I'm currently short with the top above here at current levels. Right, the DAX is similar, really. I mean, we've got a similar fifth of a fifth. Also got 1, 2, 3, 4, very messy 4, 5 up to there. So again, we've got a case for a peak there. Now, this is a much better pattern here on the 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by an A, B, and a C. So a similar pattern, well, a better pattern, because we have got 5 waves down, which is a reversal signal. So that could be a triangle, in fact, as an alternative. So again, we're looking for a break down below here. Same parameters apply. Either sell the break or sell at current levels with a stop above 112, 100. So that does look a bit better, but the same basic principles. Right, the Dow, similar sort of action. We have got a peak. We've got the decline. We've got the A, B, C. All getting a bit dithery, but again, again you got the option. Personally, I've got a extreme stop below 20875. 880 is an important level, so a break below there would be of some importance. The stop above here, quite a long way away, really. You could use there, in fact. I mean, again, I'm it's important to understand where you should place your stops. I mean, this is the kind of thing which is basics. If you haven't got a clue where to place stops, then please send me an email. I'll try and help if I can. But again, the same basic principle, looking for a move to come down. In this case, I want to wait for it to penetrate below there, because it's a little bit slightly less clear than we have on the FTSE and the DAX. Maybe because, of course, the Dow hasn't opened yet. It may become a lot clearer later on. But even though that does happen, then it's probably going to go through there to make it clearer, which means that's good entry. All right, gold had the low here. Possible 5 waves up. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a 4th wave coming in, with a 5th wave. If we see a 5th wave now, that would be pretty encouraging. Just we have seen a 5-wave advance off the lows. It would lead us to expect a pullback, but that would be confirmation. So a move now to new highs above 1236 would tend to confirm that we are back in the bull market on gold, even though it may be that we had to suffer a further correction before that gets underway. But that would be very encouraging. Right, on that note, I'll call it a day. Please send me your WhatsApp so that I can set up that group. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.